In our mission and our vision, we speak of the Apache way, and in that, we also speak of Gozhǫօ. Gozhǫօ to the Apache people is a feeling of balance.
Let there be harmony, let there be beauty, let there be goodness in Mother Earth. And so as the medical care here is provided, that's what we need to incorporate, that's what we need to continue within the Apache culture and tradition so that we can go forward, being part of that Gozhǫօ and Njón. Gozhǫօ for the Apache people.
We're getting a beautiful state-of-the-art facility, but that also comes with state-of-the-art, qualified, certified medical providers.
One thing that I like about coming to our own personal hospital or personal clinic is that you're treated with respect.
I listened to my dad all my life, and every day there was something to learn from him. Clarence was a voice, has always been a voice for our community.
He was a man of strong principle, very strong leader that was looked up to in the nation.
He was all about sovereignty. He fought hard, but he fought hard through the education of our people.
He wanted to ensure that his people, the Apache people, as well as Indian country at large, succeeded and advanced in every way and in every realm.
To serve in that capacity as a leader, you have to love your people. And I think every leader knows that. And he had that. And to be able to preserve that for the family, for the community, and for his legacy to live on, it strengthens their resiliency here for this community.
San Carlos Apache Healthcare exists to provide the best medical care that we can to the Apache people on our reservation. For too long, our medical care was under the Indian Health Service, and there was a lot of room for improvement. Here, the facility will be managed by Apaches under the board of directors who are Apaches, and there's benefits to that because we can address medical issues instantly. Our motto in our mission values of the San Carlos Apache Healthcare Corporation is Apaches Healing Apaches.
It brings the care of comfort, making sure that you trust your own blood to take care of you.
When we took over the function of Indian Health Service and we started providing that ourselves, we created a new way of interacting with our tribal members. And now our tribal members are very proud to say they have a doctor, they have somebody that they can trust. So that trust factor is very important to our people, especially our elders. Just to have those essential services here, have your own doctor, people that you can relate to, very, very important.
Gozhǫօ is a house of medicine in our Apache language. That's exactly what we provide here.
Culturally appropriate care so that we are putting the patient in the center. We are wrapping our arms around the patient.
The patient has a say in their care. They're able to make their own goals. We educate them with understanding what the care plan might look like that we suggest for them, but also ultimately it is their choice.
When you interact with the employees, they bring a comfort to you. They bring that I'm here to help you. I'm here to bring a little comfort to whatever you're dealing with.
One of the best feelings I ever get when I visit our hospital in Peridot is to see those young Apaches. They may be dental assistants, medical assistants, and seeing that, it just makes me proud that our people are taking interest in healthcare.
Having essential service such as the healthcare here on the San Carlos Apache Reservation, let alone the Balice community, is very crucial and a key component to see us succeed for the future. And with that success, it gives the opportunity to people to grow here, live here, and create a job work environment here.
One of the things I think that most everybody is excited about with the new clinic is the size and the scope of the clinic. We're going to improve patient satisfaction, patient happiness and experience here. We'll now have more space for specialty providers, more exam rooms, more treatment rooms, and the cardiology group, they're going to send over providers more often.
Our Apache people in the past, they would have to drive all the way into Mesa, Phoenix, Tucson to see these specialties.
Having people have that care here is so important so they get the care. One of the areas that was real important is to be able to get radiology services here at Clarence Wesley Health Center. We have the state-of-the-art x-ray room as well as ultrasound.
We also will have optometry. They have more tools here, more machines here.
Our dental service is expanding, and the equipment that they have there is state-of-the-art.
We will have a drive-through pharmacy, which is really something, because I was saying, can we have a drive-through so that our patients can drive through like at Walgreens,
It's a cultural shift in the community from being really sick and going to the hospital and finally getting the care you need to a preventive care, coming every 6 months and getting the checkup, getting your labs done, just to see where you're at. So if you need to make changes in your lifestyle, we want to go from the acute care and bring that to a preventive care so that we're a healthy people.
I've gotten my diabetes under control, and it's been through the advice that they have given me and the ability to allow an individual to come into my life and explain to me the decisions that I need to make that will give me the opportunity to live a lot longer than diabetes will allow me to live.
This is an opportunity to ensure that you get the care that you deserve, that you are taking charge and ownership of your care, and that you recognize that you are a key stakeholder and that you have a voice in this.
Our elders have always reminded us, use God's creation to help heal our children. So what they mean by that, like for this facility to be here in the foothills of Mount Trimble, a sacred mountain, so let that help heal our people.
I'm blessed to walk in these doors, and I'm going to be blessed to be a patient of this new facility, this new clinic that, God has blessed us with.
It's just been really emotional because the people of the Bailes community really deserve this new facility. It is for them so that they can come here in this beautiful place to get this care that they very much need.
Take care of it, keep it clean. Come here because we have services available, and for your kids, encourage them to go to school and encourage them to become nurses and doctors.
When you have that professional care right here in your own backyard, it makes you feel good. It makes you feel proud to be an Apache.
Gozhǫݸ is here for you. You are the people and the very reason that this organization exists.
Hi yo, OJD, hi yo, OJD, hi yo,